Yeah, I started the recording. Anthony, are you speaking? We are not able to hear you.
I think he's on mute. Anthony, you're on mute.
Are you able to see the screen? Hello?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Hello?
Hello, we can hear you now.
Uh, yeah. Today we are going to see about cloud functions. Um, First we are going to see about the definition and next we are going to see about the features of cloud function. So cloud function is a lightweight compute solution for developer to create a single purpose standalone function that respond to cloud events without the need to manage a server or runtime environment. So we don't want servers to provision, manage or upgrade. Everything run for the cloud and it automatically scale based on the load. And we have a feature called integrated monitoring tool. It's Go- Google Cloud has a stack driver software which can log in and debugging capability which has that, and it is having dashboard to show that. And cloud have their inbuilt security based on the role. The function can be created, updated, or deleted based on the role, and they have key networking capabilities for hybrid and multi-cloud scenarios. And we have a few customers who uses cloud function, namely smart parking, emails, and home away. These are the customers they use cloud functions. And cloud function has three main type of functions, namely HTTP functions, background functions, cloud event functions. We will see in details. First one is HTTP functions. We use HTTP function when we want to invoke your function via HTTP request. By default, HTTP function requires authentication, and but we can make it as unauthentication call by setting a flag called allow unauthenticated flag. By using that, we can make a function as unauthenticated. And HTTP function are supported by all cloud functions. Runtime means that HTTP function supports many of the languages. Background background functions. We use background function when we want to have our cloud function invoked indirectly in the such as message on PubSub topic and cloud storage bucket, Firebase even. These are all the things which uses background function, which is called indirectly. And the supported languages are, these are all the only supported language: Node.js, Python, Java, and Go. And one more function is cloud event function, which is a beta version. And cloud event function are same like background function. The difference is that uh, they have the event format, industry standard event format in these cloud event functions. And one more format, that cloud function itself invokes the cloud event by using the HTTP request. And supported languages are C# and Ruby. It is beta. Key features. We have few key features: end-to-end development and dynamicity, and just we focus on the code and deploy. Rest of the thing, cloud will take care of that. Google Cloud will take care of that. Integrated, we have integrated monitoring tool. Everything will be taken off by cloud. and best we need to focus on the code part. And we have cloud trace and cloud debugger. Cloud trace will trace our is a distributed tracing which will trace your applications. And additionally, we get support for local and disconnected development debugging using open source function framework. There are some few open source function framework available, and it scales automatically. It serves user from zero to planet scale without even thinking about user. The developer needless to think about the infrastructure, how it could be. Everything will be taken out of the Google Cloud. And no server management. We need us to bother about the server. Just we need to deploy our code and let Google run and scale it for you. And Google Cloud Function abstracts away all the underlying infrastructure so that you can only focus on your code and build applications faster like ever before. And we run codes in response to events. And there are some we can respond to events like from Google Cloud, Firebase, and Google Assistant, another backend application via HTTP. And as we know that cloud functions only we need to pay only for what we use. Actually, the function which we use only we need to pay for only for that. And then if the function is on idle, we need us to worry on that and we need us to pay for that. And avoid log in with open technology. And we use some open source function as a service framework to run function across multiple environments to prevent the login. The open source function technology, local development environment, on premises, cloud run for answers, and other Knative based servers. Pricing, as we know that cloud function is priced according to how long function runs and how many times it is invoked and how many resources you provision for